Okay, let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and take this top panel off. Take the top panel off. What you're gonna see is my big dusty heatsink and fan, and you see where my memory modules are. So I'm going to be removing these two right here, bringing a total of 16 gigs away, because the way this board is set up, there's 4 banks on here, but they're not traditional A front, A in the back, B front, B in the back. This one is set up where these two modules are one channel and these back two modules. These back two modules are a channel, and these front two modules are a channel. So this front module out here is A. This back module is B. So I'm going to close this back up. And after I close this back up, I'm going to boot the machine and see how it works.